So this is the waterfall in our backyard. That's the fishing hole right there. People come over here and they go fishing down there. And then that's our house over there in the corner behind all that shrubbery. Going across the street, this is the canoe launch down here, and you can take canoes down the river. I think this is Owaka Creek. I don't know how to pronounce it. So that's our house. Home sweet home. And yes, for everybody who's going to say it, the first thing we're doing is putting a fence around our backyard. So until then, the kids are contained inside the house until we can get that. Oh, look, you can see Justin. Look, there's Justin right there. There's Justin! Okay, happy Mother's Day, everybody.